Why is silver going up? 3 words: supply, demand, panic. Silver's up around about 180% in 2025. In 2024, silver was sitting around about 30 odd quid, By December 2025, just gone, it hit a record high of about £62. That's approximately 86 US dollars. That is mental. So if you're wondering whether you missed the boat, stick around because the answer might surprise you. Right, silver. The world is gobbling up silver faster than I can go for a packet of biscuits on a Sunday. Here's the thing about silver. It's not just a pretty metal for jewellery anymore. It's in everything. You've got your solar panels, your electric cars, AI data centres, 5G networks. Every solar panel uses 15 to 25 grams of silver. Every electric car, 25 to 50 grams. That's nearly double what regular cars use. Get this, in 2024, industrial demand hit a record high of 680 million ounces. That's the most ever recorded. The Silver Institute reckons that by 2030, solar panels alone could need 300 million ounces of silver every single year. The world's going green, and silver is the ticket. All right, reason number 1, and this is the big one. There's not enough silver to go round. For 5 years in a row, the world has used more silver than it's dug out of the ground. In 2025 alone, there was a deficit of about 150 million ounces. That's like, well, let's imagine 150 million people turning up to a concert, but there's only room for half of them. Chaos, right? Here's where it gets proper interesting. Back in October 2025, London's silver vaults, which are usually chock full of stuff, they ran so low that dealers were literally flying silver across on planes instead of cargo ships just to meet the demand. Planes for silver. That's how desperate it got. And it's not getting better. Most silver comes from byproducts of mining other metals like copper, zinc. You just can't dig more silver quickly. The mines take years to develop. Everyone's panicking in a good way if you're holding silver. Look, when gold prices went bananas, hitting over $4,000 in an ounce in 2025, investors started thinking, bloody hell, gold's expensive. What's the cheaper alternative? Silver. That's what. You've got India, the world's largest silver consumer, where farmers don't trust banks, so they are piling into silver after harvest. You've got central banks of Russia and India adding physical silver to reserves for the first time ever. And then in October, there was what they call a short squeeze. Basically, a bunch of traders betting silver would go down got absolutely caught with their pants down when it shot up instead. It's got so bad, borrowing silver overnight costs 200%. That's madness. So here's the answer to why silver is going up. We're using more than we're mining. The green energy revolution needs massive amounts of it, and investors are flooding in. Now, is it going higher? Nobody knows for certain. So analysts reckon silver could hit 100 quid an ounce by 2026 or 2027. But here's what I tell every beginner. Don't buy silver expecting to get rich tomorrow. Buy it because it's real wealth. It's insurance against inflation. And right now, it's one of the few metals with genuine industrial demand and investment appeal. This isn't financial advice. I'm just a bloke who buys silver at car boot sales and charity shops. But if I were starting today, I'd be paying attention to these fundamentals, not just the hype. Right, that's why silver is up 180% in 2025. Mad, isn't it? If you found this useful, smash the subscribe button. I make videos every week on gold and silver investing for beginners. No nonsense, just practical advice for someone who's made every mistake in the book. Got a question? Drop them in the comments. Should you buy silver now? What's your price target? Let me know. And remember, you never know what gold lies hidden in plain sight. I'll catch you the next time. Happy stacking.